How to make a birthday video on Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Then, in the home page, click on video. After you've clicked on video, it will lead you to this page. In here, simply click on templates on the left side. After you click on templates, you'll find describe your ideal design. There, type in happy birthday or birthday, and you can scroll through the results. You'll find different videos. Select the one you prefer. After you click from the template, it will directly add the template to your page. Now you can simply click on the image on the template and click on uploads on the left side. Search for your picture and drag your picture to the square shape, which will add your picture. Then you can click on the text if you want to edit some text. If you want to delete, you can click on the text and delete as well. If you want to edit, you can click on it and type in what you want to write. Now after you do that, you can add other stickers by going to elements, and after you do that, you're good to go. Then you can simply download by pressing on share. And this is how to make a birthday video on Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.